This video tutorial I will explain binary search method of arrays class which accept int array and the key. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the int array. It has int values. Then I am calling sort method of arrays class and passing the int array. This method sort the int array content into ascending order. Why we are doing sorting is before calling binary search method, the int array content should be sorted. Else, the results of binary search method is undefined. After sorting, I am displaying the int array content. Here I have defined the key as 8. Then I am calling binary search method of arrays class and passing int array and the key. What this binary search method will do is it will search the key 8 in the int array and returns the index position of the key 8, and index position of key 8 is 1, which is this position. Suppose say the key is not present in the int array, then we will get negative value. Key 800 is not there in the int array, so we got negative value. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.